Well, hi everybody, and welcome to video number 8 in the Preparing Your Class series. This is Moodle 2.5 here at Humboldt State University, and in our last session we told you how to create an Illuminate, which is now called Collaborate, program for your class. In this section we're going to begin and use that meeting. So we come to 28 January, select Sample Collaborate Meeting. And this is what you're going to see if you are within 30 minutes of the program. At the very top it says Sample Meeting, and right under it, Join Session. Now look down to where it says Session Begins. That is the start time of the event. If I happen to log in 2 hours before that, I'll see everything you see on this screen except Join the Session. Let's look at some other things. Here it says guest link. This can be copied and pasted in an email and allow you to go ahead and invite someone who's not a member of your class to take part in the session. Where it says moderators and participant, one moderator is already invited. That is the instructor of record. I'm going to choose add and remove a moderator and put myself, who I see in the right hand column, give it a click, come to the bottom, choose add, and now my name is appearing in the left hand column, and I'm a moderator for this event as well. Let's go back to our Sample Collaborate meeting. Notice all students enrolled in this class may attend this session. The instructor does not have to add them unless, as mentioned, they're a guest and not already enrolled. Let's go ahead and choose Join the Session. Now I'm on a PC and I'm using Firefox. You can see an alarming number of things pop up. I occasionally get a web vulnerability in the upper left hand corner. I get an open meeting item and I'm going to select OK. Java logos will pop up and appear briefly. It will verify your application, and eventually almost everybody gets this really scary, do you want to run this application? I always select Run. And here we are inside our Collaborate session meeting. Let's look around our screen. In the upper right hand corner there is a recording reminder. If you recall, when we set our session up, we didn't want to record 30 minutes of startup noise, so we're going to come and choose Close. We're not going to start our recording, but here in the upper right hand corner, if we look up a little bit, there is the record button. That means you can begin recording when your session is ready to go. There is a lot going on in Collaborate, and I'm going to tell you right now, you will need to come on in for a little extra support on this one. I suggest a Collaborate workshop, and I'm happy to work with you to even do a sample session. This area right here in the middle, the large white square, this is called the whiteboard. Now here you can write information. You can have information from your desktop displayed onto your computer. You can even share a document between all of the persons involved in the program, and you can allow them to contribute, so you can have a fully collaborative process. This area is viewed by all. Now let's look at the left-hand side of the screen. Everyone in the session has a version of these windows. It's going to be different for the moderator than it will for the students, but you cannot, for example, use your indicator and point at something over here because only this white area in the center is shared between all the participants, even though everybody has the same thing over here on the left. From the top down we have the audio and the video. Notice I have a talk button here under my little screen. I'm going to press talk and continue to talk, and the bar moves back and forth. If I continue to talk and forget to click that little bar, I'm going to click it. Let's just say it's not a good idea to have a sandwich while you're doing one of these and forget to press the talk bar. I think I've made my point. All the participants are going to appear in that box you and anyone else you have designated as a moderator will be listed. And then there's all those little icons. If you see them with an X through them, as a moderator, you need to click on each icon and remove the X. This allows your participants to use that feature. To the immediate right of what we were just doing are all of the things you can play with on the whiteboard. You can add photos, you can draw, you can write. There's a lot going on there. And the very most bottom is chat. Chat is just what it implies. You can type, I'm going to type hello, and it will appear to all participants. Or if we look at the very bottom, it's possible to do crosstalk between the moderators without informing the room, or if you break into small group sessions and discuss various objects, you can speak with individuals as they log on. Again, far too much here to cover in a simple video. This is just designed as an overview. We'd like to invite you to the Moodle office to get some additional training and to go through the process with you. I also recommend, and this even goes for me, I've done this for a year now so far, and I like to have a co-pilot when I'm working so somebody can handle this chat. A lot of people start talking to you on chat as well as on the audio. So you need almost two people until you really get rolling. Okay, I'm going to close out of this by coming to the upper right-hand corner, selecting the white X in the red box, close, and that should take me back to my Moodle page. Come on by Library 315, give us a call. Collaborate is a very powerful tool, and with a little bit of extra work at the front, you will have very successful Collaborate sessions. Thank you.